It's time for Don and Ron. You won't get this anywhere else.
All right, Ron, the elves have went back to work. Yep. So they got to get back. We got all those Christmas presents and toys to make and to load Santa's sleigh, that's for sure.
Oh, yes, yes.
And you know, the thing is I like to think of myself as kind of like Santa Claus of the South. Just another plump, fat guy that enjoys Christmas. You know what I'm saying? But seriously, here we are again talking about this beautiful airplane. Want to kind of go over the details and let everybody know why it's really worth $135,000. Probably one of the most expensive Cubs ever made. But it's because of the details and little bitty things on this airplane that, again, nothing was spared. Ron, kind of tell them how much trouble you go through just to do the throttle plates.
Oh, my goodness. I know Mike probably put these things together, at least 6 times, didn't you, Mike?
Oh, yeah. and the reason for it is because you want everything to be smooth. You want it to work right. You know, it's the little details, guys, is what makes the difference. Besides this airplane being an all original, you know, the throttle plates that you see here and the wells for the fuel shut off and the carb heat, they're the original ones. They were beat out, pinged, worked on, making sure that they were back looking like new. And you know, when you paint one of these guys, you paint it the black color, and then you take a little teeny piece of sandpaper, and you basically sand the raised letters. You shade the paint right off the top of them, and so it's a painstaking process to do those things. You know, all the way down to all the hardware that's inside the airplane. Everything is CAD plated white. You know, you had to take time to make sure you had the right hardware, and then you have to take it to the CAD plater. So just a tremendous amount of work to make sure that everything is done properly. All the way down to, I've heard a lot of the forums talking about this arc right here on the interior, you know, as far as the black is concerned. You know, and a lot of people may not know why that black is there. Part of it is for people to make sure when they were scrubbing their feet back and forth on the side of the interior when they were working the rudder pedals, so they wouldn't scratch up the yellow, okay? And the black is easy to touch up and really not hard to keep clean, to be honest with you, if you wipe it down. But, you know, this thing has original wood floorboards in it. I mean, they were all reconditioned. It's just really a time capsule. All the way to these throttle knobs, those are not re-popped, you know, throttle knobs from Univera or Wag Aero. Those are the originals. You know, they were meticulously cleaned up, but the airplane was so well taken care of before we ever got it, and Michael bought it. It just, you know, it makes a huge difference being able to work with something like this. So we really just wanted to kind of let everybody highlight it. We're going to have some B-roll footage for you here shortly. But, you know, all the way down to the fuel shut-off, that we did clean all that up. The cables were all put into, you know, what was they put in, Ron?
It was mostly mineral spirits.
Mineral spirits, that's right.
Then we went to a lightweight oil and let it soak, and then now the cables are as free as the day they were brand new.
Yeah, matter of fact, the throttle, I thought that we'd put a brand new cable in it, the throttle cable. When I looked at it, I said, guys, y'all really did an awesome job. I said, but we should have kept the original cable. And no, it's the original cable. It's just the amount of time taken to restore it and bring it back. So just again, the little teeny tiny details all the way down to, like I said, the CAD plating. But it's really impressive. Whoever gets this airplane eventually, I think Michael's having second thoughts of letting it go. But and I don't blame him. I've already told him we wanted it, you know. But for somebody else that winds up getting this airplane, it's really going to be amazing. You're really going to enjoy it. But get a chance, look at some of the other videos that we got. Don't forget to like
and share,
subscribe,
and leave comments.
Got to leave comments, and leave nice comments, because this time of year it's Christmas. Don't leave bad ones. We appreciate y'all's time today. Thanks for joining another edition of Don
and Ron.
Y'all have a good day. Peace out. Merry Christmas to you.